How to unsave pins on Pinterest. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So go ahead and open up Pinterest and then click on the profile picture at the bottom right. And say, for example, I wanted to unsave this pin right here. All what you need to do is click and hold on the pin, and a menu list will appear. While still holding on the pin, you move to the pencil icon, which is the edit one, and then you let go, and it will open up this editing page, from which you just need to click on the last option that says delete this pin, and it will give you a confirmation box that tells you you won't be able to get it back. Click on delete to confirm, and as you can see, the pin has been unsaved. So that was it for this video. That's how you can unsave Pinterest pins. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.